I want to connect OnePlus Nord Buds 2R to my MacBook. After turning on Bluetooth, the OnePlus Nord Buds 2R device is not visible on the MacBook. If the Buds device is not visible on the MacBook, let's see how to fix it. Take the Buds out of the case. This is the touchpad of the OnePlus Nord Buds 2R. Press and hold the touchpad for 10 seconds. Now place the Buds in the charging case. The Buds are now resetting. After resetting, the Buds device will be visible on the MacBook. Now the Buds device is ready to connect to the MacBook. The OnePlus Nord Buds 2R is now connected to the MacBook.